Hello guys, now I will show you my Peugeot, how it starts in winter when temperature is 18 minus degrees. So let's go. Car was staying during all night. It's cold, and you will see when this car will start. So without any problem, this car was produced in 2007. On speedometer is 212 kilometers. Last year I uploaded another video in which this car started in 15 minus degrees. So I am waiting for much more cold, and then I will try to make video, and I will show you when will happen when cold probably will be 20 or 23 or 5 degrees. So bye, and greetings from Lithuania, from Vilnius.